When I say my story is meaningful to me, what do I mean by that? I know what I mean by it. When I say it, my story is meaningful to me. It means a lot to me. But if I want it to mean a lot to someone else, well, what does that mean? So, in the context of a story, meaning can be understood in two different ways: objective and subjective meaning. Objective meaning is a story that is, a story that is objectively meaningful is a story where the author has deliberately intended the story to be understood in a particular way and has woven in symbols, themes, and insights into the story to articulate that specific message or idea. In this way, the author creates an objective meaning in the story, which every reader can perceive, and it kind of turns the story into a treasure chest with meaning inside that any reader can open and discover what's inside. That is objective meaning. On the flip side, subjective meaning is about the personal significance or relevance that a story holds for an individual reader. It's not that the inherent meaning of the story that was intended by the author, I might have to restart this, but the personal connections and interpretations that a reader brings to their reading experience. A story can be meaningful to someone if it resonates with their personal experiences, emotions, beliefs, or values. Therefore, a story may be full of objective meaning, exploring profound philosophical themes or intricate symbolism, but may not resonate with a particular reader, making it devoid of subjective meaning. On the other hand, a story could be simple, like someone eating a bowl of cereal, without any objective meaning infused by the author. However, this story could deeply resonate with just someone who has a significant personal experience associated with eating cereal. So it would be somewhat meaningful to them. Therefore, what we want to know when we're asking what makes a story good, what makes a story meaningful to me, we're talking about that subjective meaning. How can we get my story to mean something to someone else in that subjective way, rather than shoving in insights and symbolism and stuff, because that's not really what we're talking about. This is part of my upcoming documentary, which is going to take a long time to come out, but it's coming along nicely.